MNS chief's double standards, which now stands exposed. Maharashtra Nirman Sena chief Raj Thackeray is mum on the thuggery that has been seen on the part of his workers, MNS workers, for days together now. But lecturing on the clashes that were seen in the assembly, Raj Thackeray says what has happened to Maharashtra. Thackeray's selective outrage over the violence, his workers go on a rampage. However, he is absolutely mum about that. In fact, he's encouraged it indirectly in the past as well. As far as the assembly in Maharashtra is concerned, it saw a fair amount of ruckus, to which Raj Thackeray says, amusing rather, what has happened to the state of Maharashtra. Remember, there was ruckus that was seen in the assembly in the state of Maharashtra that Raj Thackeray is talking about. However, the kind of show that has been put up by his own party workers, by MNS workers, going on a complete rampage in different parts of Mumbai is something that Raj Thackeray chooses to not talk about or acknowledge. There have been clashes between BJP MLA and NCP's Sharad Pawar faction leader that was seen in the state of Maharashtra within the assembly. This is something that Raj Thackeray is referring to. Vidya is getting in more details on that. Vidya, the selective outrage on the part here of Raj Thackeray that we're seeing, isn't it?
Well, Raj Thackeray has raised his voice with regards to the fact that there has been an incident of, you generally don't see MLAs and their men actually fighting it out. This fight has been happening in the Vidhan Sabha premises, and that's something that has shocked everyone. And that's one of the reasons why Raj Thackeray is reacting to this, saying that it will not be very surprising that in the future we'll have murderers in the Vidhan Bhavan, assuming this is now becoming the norm of beating up people. And why should people who are Maharashtrians, who speak Marathi, why should they fight amongst themselves? Is something that he's questioning. Also, remember, he's that he has to address some people in with Mira Road today. He will be